everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of the residential project of Right Channel developer new launch with passcode Right Choice located in Govindnagar, Malad East, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project. This is the main road and the neighborhood of our project. Right behind me, the construction of the tower is going on and the actual land parcel is right here. In this video, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now, let me take you to the sales office of our project. As you can see, we are standing right outside the sales office of our project. Come, let me also show you the sales office. So this is the sales office of our project. Now let me tell you about the project overview. This project is spread across the land parcel of 2.25 acres consisting of 6 towers, out of which 4 towers are already delivered and remaining 2 towers comes with 2 levels of basements, ground plus 2 podium levels plus 42 residential floors having 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences with deck and Jodi option is also available. Talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located near Western Express Highway, New Govindnagar, Malad East, from where Western Express Highway is just 5 minutes drive and metro station is also just 5 minutes drive. Malad railway station is only 3 minutes drive and Oberoi Mall is just within 10 minutes drive from the project. Talking about the amenities, this project has 25 plus ultra luxurious amenities with rooftop amenities, swimming pool, gym, indoor games, multi-purpose courts, kids play area and many more. Talking about the carpet area, as said, this project has 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences with 2 BHK ranging in the carpet area of 600 to 683 square feet and 3 BHK ranging between 845 to 900 square feet usable carpet area, where Jodi option is also available. Now let's talk about the booking process. The booking windows for this project is already open. The client can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project detail with project layout and give you full pricing. And then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount of 1 lakh for 2 BHK and 3 BHK. The token comes with multiple benefits like exclusive launch discount and unit allocation. Customers will be called first to choose their respective apartment and confirm the booking. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project of Right Channel developer new launch with passcode Right Choice located at Govindnagar, Malad East, Mumbai. For any queries like plans, pricing, brochure and other details or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description below. All our NRI clients from UK, US, UAE and Europe can also contact us from the same link. At last, don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such teaser videos.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.